Hi, this is David with Best Rest Products, home of the cycle pump tire inflator that has a lifetime warranty. We're going to depart from our usual product reviews, and we're going to show you something today called the Reverse-Stagger. What this is a different type of riding position, contrary to what we normally do, where one bike is in the lead, the left front, and the other bike's to the rear, right rear. And I've written a paper on it, but that came about as a result of an almost accident from a car that turned right after Steve had passed the car. So I got to thinking about what we're doing and why we do it, and is there a better way or a different way of doing it. We're going to demonstrate to you what the difference is and the change in visibility for the second rider in the group, and we're also going to show you what it's like for a car, an oncoming car, when they see two bikes riding together. Now, there's going to be a lot of argument about, whether you should ever ride in a staggered position, and you can make that argument, but let's face it, most of us do at one time or another when we're with our buddy. The key is to maintain a good distance between the bikes so that you don't get bunched up. Ride your own ride, but typically you'll fall into a quasi-formation. The front rider is at the left near the center lane, the second rider is behind and to the rear. We're going to challenge that. We're going to show you some video. And I think you'll have to have a long, hard think about the way we've been doing it in the past. So let's get suited up and let's get on the bikes. Let's go out and see how this thing works. Now here I'm riding in a regular left side of the lane position in the lane. This is where most guys would ride if they're by themselves or if they're leading a pack of two. I have full visibility, I can see everything. I haven't given up anything in the way of visibility, but I am closer to the right side of the road, so somebody coming off the right, I wouldn't have quite as much room. And once again, I'll move to the left. I get a couple more feet of clearance. And I'll move to the right. I can still see everything. And I really haven't given up much in the way of safety for the lead rider. Alright, so now Steve's going to take the left side of the lane in the typical method that he would use when we're riding in pairs. And I'm going to drop back to a safe distance. A little faster, Steve. And I can see a lot, but I can tell that my field of view on the left-hand side is blocked. Move to your right just a tiny bit. There you go. So where Steve is right now, he's basically blocking the oncoming lane quite a ways down there. I can't see that. I have a safe distance behind him. If I come up closer, the closer I get, the more Steve's body blocks my field of view. Alright, now you've completely blocked my view of that oncoming lane. Alright, now I want you to move to the right side of the lane. I have a much better field of view. I can see the whole road. Nothing is blocking my vision. Alright, switch to the other side, Steve, and keep going past this truck. The one that's coming towards us. look, there's the truck right there. He came out of nowhere. I literally could not see that truck at all. Blocking all of that oncoming lane. I am a safe 2-second distance behind it. 1001, 1002. That is the specified distance for motorcycle safety. And that red car came really out of nowhere. Shows perfectly how much more I can see ahead. Now I want you to move to the left. I can't see anything. Here comes a car. Alright. So, oncoming car. Right now, that truck just disappeared. I cannot see it. All right, switch over. All right. Good?
Okay, Diamond. The two gals on Hannity.
Oh.
What's the other gal's name?
I have no idea.
You've never seen that?
No.
Oh,
What's wrong with you, lady? Where'd you learn how to drive?
My mama taught me. You're done, right?
Yeah, we're done.